The opposition says it's disappointed that the government has not declared any new zones of special operations ZOSOs. Opposition MP Fitz Jackson raised the concern yesterday as Parliament voted to extend ZOSOs in 4 communities across the island. Vashon Brown reports.
The zones of special operations have been extended in Greenwich Town, Augustown, Mount Salem and Denham Town. But with murders already over 1,200 so far this year, Opposition MP Fitz Jackson argued that more zones of special operations are needed.
In fact, we have been disappointed and continue to be disappointed that there's not more zones of special operations throughout the country. Since the ending of the states of emergency, I believe the opportunity is now to expand the states of special operations in other communities.
He notes that members of the security forces can be deployed to additional ZOSOs since the states of emergency are no longer in effect. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang argues that the security forces are stretched.
In fact, the ZOSOs absorb more personnel than the SOEs. With the 2 ZOSOs, the 4 ZOSOs, and the general requirements across the country is stretched in. It's on that basis the government had embarked on a major recruitment program. Because we can make demands all the time, do X, Y, Z. But to do X, Y, Z requires commitments to other things.
Dr. Chang says 20 communities across the island have been identified as areas where special intervention is needed. In the meantime, come tomorrow, a joint select committee will begin its review of the law, which allows for the declaration of ZOSOs.
This will provide us with a unique opportunity to review how the strategy of the zones of special operation has worked to the benefit of our people and how we can improve on it moving forward so that ZOSOs will serve as a model that can be replicated across the island.
Vashon Brown, TVJ News.